soft and kind. Did you ever have to make up your mind? Try it, you'll like it.
Two mints in one.
I want my maple.
Mother, please. I'd rather do it myself.
Chocolate.
Did you ever have to finally decide and say yes to one and let the other one ride? There's so many changes and tears you must hide. Did you ever have to finally decide? Try it, you'll like it.
Cigars, cigarettes, Chipperillo.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
You can be sure the Edsel will be an exciting car for years to come.
Ho, ho, ho.
Sometimes there's one with big blue eyes, cute as a bunny, with hair down to here and plenty of money. And just when you think she's that one in the world, your heart gets stolen by some mousy little girl. Then you bet you better finally decide. Say yes to one and let the other one ride. There's so many changes and tears you must hide. Did you ever have to finally decide? So I tried it.
Thought I was gonna die.